Hey guys, it's Carley, Fairy Gutmother here, and today we are going to prepare some grilled pork chops with a peach salsa. So to get started, I'm going to prepare a basic marinade for our pork chops. What I have here are just a couple US Wellness Meats pork chops. These are no hormones or antibiotics, sustainably raised, super clean meats, and very tasty. So I patted them dry with a paper towel, and to prepare the marinade, I'm going to just add about 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos to a bowl. Now, coconut aminos are basically like a soy sauce, just an alternative version. So you can also use soy sauce as well. And then I've got about a tablespoon of a local raw honey. And then about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then the spice mixture, I have about a teaspoon of paprika, about a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and about a teaspoon of sea salt. So we're just gonna add all of this to the mixture as well. And to this, going to add the juice of an orange. I love the flavors of orange and pork together. I think they go very nicely. So this orange adds a ton of flavor. And then I add a little bit of orange zest as well. And zest is always fun to add to different recipes. Again, it adds a lot of nice flavor and color even as well. So get this nice and mixed up. So add our pork chops to our marinade. Just making sure that they're nicely coated with all of this deliciousness. Okay, so I'm gonna take our pork chops now and toss them in the fridge for about a couple hours or overnight just to marinate. From there, we're gonna throw them on the grill at medium heat for about 3 minutes on each side. So I just took the pork chops out of the refrigerator. They've been marinating for about a couple hours. We're gonna go outside now and throw these on the grill. Okay, so it's been a few minutes here. Just gonna give these guys a nice turn. Wow, that looks awesome. So we're just gonna let these cook another 3 minutes on this side. Then I'm gonna turn off the heat, place these on an indirect heat, and then cook for another 15 minutes. Now we're gonna assemble my peach salsa recipe. So in this bowl, I have a couple cups of chopped peaches and nectarines. And we're just gonna add this to a mixing bowl. And to this, we'll add 1 chopped red pepper. And I love using the red pepper. I just think it adds a little bit of extra color to the salsa. And then about a 1/2 cup of cilantro. It's finely chopped, and 1 jalapeno, about a 1/4 cup of red onion, the juice of 1 lime, and I found it helps to kind of juice the lime if you put a fork in the middle here, just a little bit easier. And then the zest of 1 lime as well. Lime zest and lemon zest are awesome in salsas and in guac. It just adds a little bit of extra freshness. Okay, then we do a little bit of pinch of black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. This is already looking so pretty and colorful. So just gonna mix this all up. Look how beautiful this color is. This is just such an awesome summertime salsa recipe. Peaches are in season. It's just delicious. It goes great with anything. So you can let this also sit for a couple hours before serving as well, so the juices all kind of soak in together. And there you have it, just a basic peach salsa recipe that this is going to go so nicely with our pork chops that we had grilled a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna assemble a plate here. Just take one of these delicious pork chops, place them right here. top this with our peach salsa. Get a lot of that extra peaches on here. Maybe a little bit of extra cilantro. And maybe just a touch of olive oil. Pinch of pepper. And this looks absolutely incredible. I have to give this a try. Okay, this pork is cooked to perfection. It's still super juicy. And then along with this peach salsa, it's going to be incredibly delicious. I love this. So this pork looks incredible. It's still super juicy, along with some of these peaches. This is amazing. The flavors go so well together. The marinade for the pork is a little bit sweet, mixed with some of the peaches and spices from the salsa. Incredibly delicious. So there you have it, our grilled pork chops with a peach salsa recipe, perfect for summer grilling season. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this cooking demo. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cooking videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.